Happy Sunday! I thought I would show you what I'm growing in the greenhouse, and it's getting warmer finally, but I'm not brave enough to put anything out yet. So I thought I would show you what's growing and what I'll be planting soon. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, follow for more, and don't forget to seed the day. I'm trying to move away from plastic and made some seed boxes and did some soil blocking this year, and doing pretty good. So got a lot of cucumbers here. Looking great. And up here, these are flowers. Got to plant a lot of flowers to get those pollinators. Got some beautiful eggplant popping up. Tomatoes. Nothing coming up in that yet. And, oh gosh, a whole bunch of stuff. Some okra and some zucchini and spaghetti squash. Some cosmos and other flowers. I also like to plant basil and parsley in pots so I can just have them on the back porch, easy to grab for dishes. More tomatoes. Let's go over here. These are acorn squash, and it looks like more cucumber. I'm hoping to do a lot of pickling this year. Some tomatoes. These are, what are these? Butternut squash. Some lupine flowers. Some Swiss chard. More zucchini and cucumbers. Spaghetti squash. Alright, tomatoes still going a little slow. I think I'm growing mushrooms here. Hilarious. These are celery and sage. And then up here, some artichokes and some flowers. We've got, I don't know what kind of flowers these are. Oh, moonwalker. Oh, those are like a beautiful white flower that's going to vine. Some watermelon and some more tomatoes. And then over here, more cucumbers, a whole bunch of tomatoes popping up. Nothing really in that one yet. And then this is a whole tray of tomatoes. I had started a lot of them in January, and then the greenhouse got really hot and I was out of town and everything died, so I had to start all over. That's one thing about gardening. You have to have a lot of endurance for this sport. Can be very rewarding, but it can also be really challenging. And then these are just pots full of herbs that once they get going, I'll put them out on the back patio, and some have flowers in them. All, of course, found at the Goodwill.